This video is to go over our math assignment for Monday, January 3rd. We have our counting that we always do with the hundreds chart. I have included a hundreds chart in your child's remote folder. Only one, so please make sure that this 100s chart stays available and your child can use it every day of the week. So we're counting by ones to 100. We're counting by tens to 100, starting with 10, counting by 5, starting with 5, and then starting with 20, going backwards by ones. If your child is able to count by twos, you might want to start that. If your child can already count by ones, by tens, by fives, and count backwards with few to little mistakes, few to none, I should say, go ahead and start having your child count by twos. If there's one of those other things, by ones, by tens, by fives, or by twos, that your child is struggling with and cannot do independently, then don't go to twos yet. Just focus on that one that your child is struggling on. In order, make sure, focus on counting by ones to 100, and then by tens, and then by fives, count backwards, and if they can do all those, then you can start counting by twos. After you're done counting, doing the warm-up for the day, this is our assignment. We have, make sure your child writes their name on the assignment, please. The date does not matter, just the name. But we have a paper here with a bunch of different numbers. It's a grid is what I would tell the kids this is. And we are highlighting or coloring in. You can use crayons, you can use markers, you can use highlighters, whatever your kid wants. I would prefer a light color so I can see the number through the coloring, but we are only coloring in teen numbers. It says up at the top, remember numbers in the teens start with a 1, which means they have one group of 10. So we are counting 11 and 12 as teen numbers. They are called preteens. We are not counting the number 10 as a teen, but any number that has one group of 10 and more would be a teen number. So one group of 10 and 8 more is 18. One group of 10 and 6 more is 16. One group of 10 and 1 more is 11. One group of 10 and 2 more is 12, and so on and so forth. This can be kind of confusing because the kids may not quite understand that these are different numbers. Yes, they both have a 1 and they both have a 4, but when they're in a different order, it's a different number because this right here means 4 tens, and this right here means 1 10, and 4 tens is 40, 1 10 is just 10. So just have your child go through each row and color in only the numbers that have one group of 10 and have them say the number. If you, I think that would be very helpful. So this is one group of 10. That means it's a teen number. What teen is it? It's a 17. This has one group of one group of 10 and then 5 extra. So what number is that? It's a teen number. It's 15. This has one group of 10 and 2 extra. So I don't say teen. It's a preteen. It's number 12. And just look for all of the, I just realized I skipped a row. Sorry about that. And look for all of the teen numbers and highlight or color in the teen numbers. Have your child say the number while they're hunting and coloring it in. And that's all for today, just talking about teen numbers. I do have a video linked on the second page of the virtual classroom for just a teen number video to remind them that numbers in the teens start with a group of 10. But they can watch that before or after this page. But please remember 11 and 12 are considered preteen numbers, so we do count them as teen numbers because they have one group of 10. All right, that's your math for Monday.